let's go and get out.
Yippee! Yippee!
And jump.
Guys, take a look at this place. Guys, you can look at this place.
Come on, Rose. Where's Rose? Right here. I never saw you. That was a long drive.
Oh yeah, Elsa.
Girls, ready to camp out in this amazing place with Rose?
Yay, yay, yay!
Firstly, I want all of you to move out of this way so I can show you something. Got the tents and sleeping bags ready and the camp stove.
Guys, look at me.
Get down from there, Onia.
Okay.
We moved out. Okay, I guess now it's time to show them Edna.
Okay, Elsa.
Now I need to go up the ladder to climb to the top.
I'm already climbing.
It looks amazing up here.
Mommy, be careful.
You know we are. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. Okay, and Orna, can you please move because, wait, I think you're gonna be separated until I press this button. Okay, I'm ready to do this.
Yay!
Ready, steady. Ta-da! Whoa! Welcome to Paradise, girls.
Guys, what about you could look around and have some fun?
Yay, 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 yay!
Yay, come on, girls. Let's go. Hey, girlies, what should we explore, girlies?
I saw a strange old thing over there that was blue. Want to check it out?
All right. Race ya!
You know I'm faster than you. Finished! You started first, so kind of makes it fair. Yeah, but I'm smaller, so counts.
And I'm not that fast.
Okay, guys, let's check out what this really does. Why don't we ask your mummies? Okay.
Hey, Elsa, I see the wheels here.
Cool, let me see. Precious.
Hey, Elsa, maybe this is for jumping.
Or climbing. But we're already down, so nothing to climb.
Oh.
Then what could it be? A roller coaster? I mean, like, we can sit like this
And then press a button. Move, roller coaster.
These guys had a little of some time troubling what this is.
Yes, it's a roller coaster.
We know what it is. Duh, it's a roller.
But I think it's broken because that doesn't move.
No, you silly. It's actually get off, and I'll show you what it is.
Huh?
Come on, let's get off then. Come on, Rose.
I think it's a jumping then.
OMG! OMG! It's a pool! Let's get water! Come on, look! And that strange roller coaster thing that we were worried about was actually a slide!
And a pool.
But it was just claps together. We have to ask Mommy if we can go in the pool right now. I'll go ask her. Mommy, I'm kind of wondering that, can we go in the pool?
Elsa, look what I found!
Can we please go to the pool? I already said, Elsa, we'll take a tour around the caravan first. Oh, yep, must have not heard you.
Elsa.
Girls. Firstly, my mommy said take a tour around the caravan next. Yippee! You know what this is? It's the living room.
Oh,
Yes.
of course it is because it has a TV.
Yep, I know. A real TV in a caravan? So expensive. I want to watch a little of some TV right now.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'm going in the pool first before I finish this tour around.
Come on, Rose.
Let's just go, and then later we'll watch. Okay. So, girls, what do you think's next? Oh, I see it. Yeah, I know. Let's go check it out. Come on, Anya.
Oh, Ben, okay.
Pretty sure this is the bathroom. And girls, you never checked this area out. It's a closet.
And look at all the drawers in the game.
Amazingly cool. But look at here. We have the shower. Let me move it, and you can see. And then we have the sink that can collapse together like this. And then you have this, the toilet, to make the masterpiece. And don't you see some pictures of Barbie over there? So cute, doggies. And that's the bathroom.
So, girls, I think that's all.
Maybe, or maybe not. What do you think that ladder leaded to?
I don't know.
The top, of course. We know, but why would a caravan have a ladder just to climb to the top? I mean, what's so special about the top?
Just to open it?
Yeah, but I'm just thinking something else. There has to be a secret hideout on the top. There's this big pink thing, and I'm wondering what it is. Want to check? I'm too scared. We could fall.
Same.
Fine, then I'll go. I'm the oldest, so I'll just go with it. Alright. Guys, I made it to the top. Yeah. Girls, it's actually a bed. Look, it's bouncy. And there's a big shelter, and you can close it too. Girls, come up here. I can see all over the world. So cool. I want to go. Me too. I'm up. Me too. Girls, sleep over up here.
Elsa, you could even slide down like that.
Girls, I think there's one more thing at the back of the caravan. Do you want to go investigate it? Alright. Firstly, let's get down here. Down the ladder again.
La. Yummy pasta for the girls. They're gonna love it.
Hey girls, what are you doing here?
We're looking for one more hideout.
So you mean the kitchen? That's it. Every caravan needs a kitchen. Every caravan. Come on, let's just go. Oh, hey girls. I made you some yummy pasta. Yippee, pasta. Yay. Girls, can you please go right over there where you see that window over there and please sit.
There's no cheese.
Where is, you mean this window? What does it do? What does this button do? Cheep. Beep, 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 beep. Cool. Guys, instead of sitting there, do you want to sit on the floor? Because there's 3 people and only 2 chairs. Alright. Floor is really nice. Yippee. Not really a fan of pasta. I'm just gonna have a different food. We love pasta! But not me. Oh, I heard that. Maybe I could make you something else. What would this do? Yes. Some yummy rice. Alright then, we'll have lots of pasta then. Mine's already in a bowl, girls, so these girls can take the plates if you want. Of course. Look, Mommy's the best because she gave us these yummy drinks. I can't believe Rose doesn't want some. Yeah, I know, but oh well. Let's just drink some. Alright. So good. We are all finished. See, our plates are all empty. Yep, mine too. Thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh,
Yeah! Pool time!
Alright, girls, I heard that. come in the pool.
Yay, yay, yay!
I want to go to the slide. I want to go to the slide.
Slapping. I mean, there's not even water and we're not in our suits yet. We've probably been too excited. Ready. Good, Mommy, put the water out.
I'm just going to go to the slide.
Do a cannonball on ya. Go through the slide.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, there you go. Go. Woohoo! Come on, Rosie. Okay. Too cold. It's very cold. I don't want to do it. Come on, you. You don't think you're scared. Fine, I'll just go up the slide first and then I'll be into the water. Perfect. Wait, I thought the slide was only up to here. But you're telling me there's like 2 more steps? This one and this one? Oh. Let me try to do this. Too high. It's too high.
Scaredy cat.
Scaredy cat. Scaredy cat. Oh, stop it, girls. These girls are very annoying. I don't like you anymore. I'm going to take off and I'm not going to be called scaredy cat ever again. I'll just lost up here for ages. Oh, she's such a loser and a scaredy cat.
Yeah, she always be sad.
All because we called her scaredy cat doesn't mean she has to be sad. I'm so sad. They call me scaredy cat, but I'm just scared. I'm not used to going in a pool or slides. They always do because they have a pool on their own house. Linnea, what was your name again? Rose, why are you crying? Because the girls, Anya and Elsa, called me a scaredy cat. Or because they didn't want to go in the slide. Or the pool because the water was too cold. That is very rude. I'm going to go speak to those girls. Splash, splash, splash. I'm going in the slide. Watch me. Wow! Girls, I see you're having very fun. Of course. What do you think we are?
Yeah.
I spoke to Rose and I found out that there was a major problem.
What do you mean?
Okay, so Rose said that you girls are calling her a scaredy cat and you girls are just making fun of her and calling her a loser. That isn't very nice, girls. Rose doesn't have a pool like us. She's not really used to going that much in like a big slide and a big pool. Well, she's scared.
Yeah.
Girls, we brought you for a fun camp out with Rose. You don't want to make Rose sad and never want to go camping with you girls ever again. That isn't very nice, girls. I am very angry at you right now.
Same as me.
Where? Sorry. Don't say sorry to me. Just say sorry to Rose and try to apologize because she is very sad right now. Okay. Come on, Anya, let's go. We're sorry, Rose.
Go away!
I don't want to be with you girls anymore. We're so sorry. Please forgive us. Please. Well, please forgive us. We'll help you on the slide and we'll never say something rude like that ever again.
I feel like your legs are too wet on me.
Sorry, we should have said sorry before. We're out of the pool. I forgive you, girls, but please next time don't call me that. I think I'm brave enough because I'm on the top right now, and I feel like I'm brave enough now. Then pool party. Come on, let's go. That's the girls I want to see.
Let's swim, Elsa and Rose.
Okay, but first let Rose try the slide. Okay, I'm ready, girls. Oh, Elsa, move out of the way. Sorry. Go, Rose! 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 Whee! That was so much fun! Yay! That was so much fun. Come on, let's swim. Here, I'm swimming. Swim.
Girls, I want want to swim.
Sorry, we'll get out. Go swim. Cool. My turn. I can twirl and and dive back. Your turn, Onia.
Okay.
Yay! Girls, it's pretty getting dark out here, so come on, bedtime.
Can we sleep at the top? Oh, yeah. Can we have sleepovers with Rose?
Of course, why do we come camping? And yes, you girls can. We're just gonna sleep in the living room.
Yay, yay, yay.
Firstly, change and have a shower.
I'm going first, and thank you, Mommy, for helping me put on the shower, because I'm kind of little to shower by myself. Come on, Mommy, come here.
Scrub, 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 and I think you're finished. Okay, put on my beautiful skirt. Yay!
Let's watch a little of some TV from the top with Mommy, and then we'll put on a movie, and then we'll go to sleep.
Sounds a great idea to us.
Mommy, too.